Hey guys, we are in our farm and today we're gonna be crazy today. Let's see what type of insect there are. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Don't worry, look, there's a millipede, look! Guys, look at that craziness! What type of beetle is this? Average beetle. So, let's go find more! Let's go find more! Yeah. Horsey! There's a horse! It's coming from me! Hi, horse! Horse! Oh, this is insane! Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. This is insane! Oh, hello, Horsey! Oh, Jesus! Hi. Whoa! Whoa! Horse. Okay. Okay, he's being a little bit Jay. Guys, this is Guys, this is insane, bro, with the horse and stuff. Oh, hi, horse. Oh, the horse got his eye. Uh-oh, he's gonna escape. How you doing, horse? Oh! Is it good? Oh, it's getting a little bit irritated. Let's go. Oh, this is crazy! Horsey! Horse! That's insane. Look at that horse, bro. He's so big! Oh, it's going towards me now! This is insane! Whoops. Hi, Horsey. How you doing today? Oops. Look. Oh, this is a cool move, bro. Come to Aiden. Come to Aiden. Come on, Horsey. My name is Aiden. What's yours? Hi, horse. What's your name? I'm just gonna gradually go front of the horse. Bro, look at this. He's eating. Look. He's eating. This is insane, bro. This is literal insane. Bro, there's a horse. Horse settle. Oh, he's actually eating. He's eating. Horse. Oh, this is insane. This is insane, bro. This is insane. Bro, there's a horse coming. Come on, eat as much as it can. It's good nutrients for you. The grass is really good nutrients for you, right? So cool. Oh God. Can I ride you? No, I don't think that's a good idea. This is sick, bro. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. Wait, this is insane. He's eating. Insane. This is. What was that? How's your day, Horsey? How's your day? Hi, horse. Oh, it's horse. See? Horsey, look, Horsey. What are you doing, horse? You must be hungry, horse, right? How hungry, horse? This is crazy. This is insane. Hi, horse. Come. Come. Horsey, come. Good boy, horsey. Good boy, horsey. This is insane. This is very insane experience. Bro, come, horsey. Horsey. Chill, horsey. Come. Horsey. Horsey. This is insane. Horsey. Horsey. Oh, well. What was that? What was that?
Twist.
Oh. Oh.
Push the food.
Hey guys, I hope you like this vlog, and you have to like and sub to my YouTube channel if you want me to have more wild adventure. So peace out for now. Doosh.